to all of you, Dr. Nitin Garg. Dr. Nitin Garg holds an executive PhD from IIM Lucknow, Masters of Business Administration from Tepper School of Management, Carnegie Mellon University, USA, and Bachelor's and Masters in Mechanical Engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Mr. Garg has been instrumental in establishing International School of Management Excellence as the founding director. He was awarded the International Achievers Award for Education Excellence by Thai Entrepreneurs Summit in recognition for his efforts of establishing ISME as one of the leading business schools in India. He has worked in the areas of technology and management consulting and was a senior member of Deloitte Consulting in Philadelphia, USA. Welcome, sir, and I invite you to address the gathering.
Once again, our chief guest of the day, our key person, Mr. Braj Kishor, the author of this great book, Take Your Giant Step Now. Dr. Subhash Sharma, who has really influenced my thought on management many times when I have heard him or read parts of his books. Dr. Venkatesh, who I look forward to inviting you, sir, more and more out here. And Vishwajit Chaube, I am sure we will be associating a lot more. Certainly our dean, our principals, HODs, faculty, and the students. I think any book, as Dr. B.K. Das said, represents a big step forward in any case because the author is compiling the knowledge of 50, 60 years into a couple of 100 pages. And it is worthy of a read, especially if it is in your context. And in this case, the Take a Giant Step Now is something which I really liked as a phrase. And I was just reflecting on what does that giant step mean? And it means different things for different people. So for each one of you, that giant step might mean differently. But one thing which is common is that for any individual or institution, it is that vision or step which you want to take, which is more than what your current resources allow you to take. So if that is the case, it means that you need to do and you need to stretch yourself and you need to take help of others as you go along. So this book, from my understanding, and certainly I look forward to reading the Pearls of Wisdom that Mr. Braj Kishor has laid out. He has 48 chapters, 48 different essays which can be read independently for you to review. And I'm sure each one of those 48 will be relevant to you. So this, besides the step which you will take, it's not one giant step you will take during your career. You will take multiple giant steps, and that's how you end up over a period of time becoming successful or more successful than others, is when you continue to strive for things which are well beyond the current resources that are provided to you. And this is not only true for individuals, it is true for institutions, it is true for the country at large. And as Dr. B.K. Das had said, that in the area of space, we continue to take different giant steps. And today, looking back, a step might look very small, but at that point of time, it was a giant step. And that would be also true for each one of you. I think I will say you will need many, many things when you take this giant step to actually succeed. 48 of them are here. But as you travel, one thing which I have realized is that you need help from the people who surround you, the people who are with you, and certainly the people who can be your mentors. As I continue my journey to take these various giant steps for myself and for the institution, I look forward for such mentors, and I'm very pleased to find Dr. Das today, who I will be seeking as becoming my mentor for taking my next giant steps. I think each one of us has a goal and agenda. I'm sure you people should also have your goal and agenda for the next giant steps. There are many things which will be there part of this book will help you, and I hope that the institution of ISME and its faculty are also are able to contribute to that next giant step of yours. So thank you very much. Once again, many congratulations, Mr. Braj.